Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, and with its captivating cloud formations and powerful magnetic field, it stands out as a towering presence in the immensity of our solar system. JUICE, which stands for Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, is an ambitious project that is being undertaken by the European Space Agency, ESA, with the goal of better comprehending this gas giant and uncovering its mysteries. This mission's overarching objective is to shed light on the history of our solar system and determine whether or not any of its planets or moons were ever habitable. The mission will not only examine Jupiter but also its interesting icy moons. Dive in with me as I take you on an adventure into the fascinating realm of Europe's JUICE Jupiter probe. JUICE will be an innovative mission that will send a spacecraft on a unique voyage that will last for over 10 years after it is launched in 2022. The launch is currently scheduled for that year. In order to reach its goal of Jupiter in 2029, the spacecraft will have to travel an incredible distance of approximately 600 million miles, roughly 970 million kilometers. Once it reaches its destination, it will spend at least 3 years conducting intensive research on the gas giant and the moons that orbit it. The investigation of Jupiter's icy moons, in particular Ganymede, Europa, and Callisto, is one of the key goals of the JUICE mission. It is believed that these moons have underground oceans, which would make them potentially livable settings for various forms of microbial life. Ganymede, the largest moon in our solar system, is of particular interest due to the fact that it possesses a distinctive magnetic field and there may be a layer of liquid water hidden beneath its frozen shell. JUICE will conduct numerous flybys of Ganymede, during which it will take precise photos and measurements in order to improve our understanding of the composition and structure of Ganymede's interior. The moon Europa, which holds the potential to support life and has long been a source of fascination for scientists, will also be the subject of in-depth research conducted by this expedition. JUICE's mission is to investigate the composition of Europa's subsurface ocean, as well as its geology and the potential interactions between the moon's interior and its surface. This ocean is thought to exist beneath Europa's icy shell. The spacecraft will be able to provide significant insights into the presence of any organic molecules or signs of life on Europa by examining the composition of plumes erupting from the surface of the moon's surface. In addition, the JUICE mission will look at the mysterious moon Callisto, which has a surface that is both very old and very cratered compared to other worlds in our solar system. The mission intends to provide insight on Callisto's geological history and determine whether or not it has the potential to be habitable by researching the surface of the moon. The spacecraft is going to map the topography of the moon, investigate the composition of its surface, and study how the moon interacts with Jupiter's magnetic field. In order for JUICE to accomplish its scientific objectives, it will be outfitted with the most advanced technologies and instruments available. The spacecraft will be equipped with remote sensing devices like cameras, spectrometers, and radar systems in order to map the surface of the moons, investigate their composition, and capture high-resolution photos of them. In addition to this, JUICE will be outfitted with a magnetometer, which will be used to study Jupiter's magnetic field and how it interacts with Jupiter's icy moons. The power source for the mission is another example of the technological prowess of the project. JUICE will be the first mission to travel between planets utilizing solar electric propulsion as its primary mode of transportation. The spacecraft will be able to considerably reduce the quantity of propellant that is required for the voyage by harnessing the power of solar energy, which will allow for a mission that is both more efficient and cost-effective. JUICE will make a significant contribution, in addition to achieving its scientific objectives, to our comprehension of the processes that led to the birth of the solar system and its subsequent development. The mission will provide vital insights into the origins of Jupiter as well as its role in shaping the early solar system through the investigation of Jupiter's composition as well as its structure. Europe's JUICE, the Jupiter probe, is an important step forward in the exploration of space, and it is poised to reveal the mysteries of one of the planets in our solar system that is considered to be the most intriguing and mysterious. The mission has the potential to transform our understanding of habitable environments beyond Earth and provide important hints about the circumstances that are necessary for life to develop through its in-depth research of Jupiter's icy moons. This might be accomplished through the mission's in-depth investigation of Jupiter's moons Io and Europa. Scientists and anyone interested in space are excitedly anticipating the plethora of data and discoveries that will be brought back to Earth by JUICE when it completes its monumental voyage. This enormous mission stands as a tribute to human curiosity and the unrelenting pursuit of knowledge, moving us forward in our quest to fathom the vast wonders of the cosmos and bringing us one step closer to achieving that goal.